Hello students, welcome back to the online classes of St. Thomas School. Um, this video is on the maths of class 8. Here we have already started this 13.1 and question number 1 and 2 we have finished. Ratio and proportion. Third question. In question 2 above, if one part of red pigment requires 75 ml of base. So here in any one of the quantity, in one thing, that is any liquid material. So in that liquid material, red pigment is there and some base is there. Okay. So out of this, what is the part of red pigment? 1. And what is the part of base? At the same time 75 ml. Okay. Then how much red pigment should we mix with 1800 ml of base? When base it is 1800, then at the same time, what is the red pigment? So as the base increase, then definitely red pigment will increase. So it is in direct proportion. So here you can write 1 upon 75 x upon 1800. Now you can do cross multiplication. 1 into 1800 and 75 into x. So x is equal to 1800 by 75. So it's a 24 parts. So when there is a base of 1800 ml, then 24 parts of red pigment should be mixed. Okay. Question number 4. A machine in a soft drink factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. Okay. So here this printing mistake is there. 6 hours and 840 bottles. Then how many bottles will it fill in 5 hours? So if here 5 hours there, then what is the number of bottles will it fill? Now as you can see here, number of hours decreased, then obviously that number of bottles that are going to be filled will decrease. So it's a direct proportion. So you can write 6 upon 840 and 5 upon x. Now cross multiplication, 6 into x, 5 into 840. So x is equal to 5 into 840 by 6. It's a 700 bottles. Question number 5. A photograph of bacteria enlarged up to 50,000 times attains a length of 5 centimeter. So here length and enlarged length. When it's a 5 centimeter, then 50,000 you can enlarge it. Then what is the actual length of bacteria if the photograph is enlarged 20,000 times only? What should be its enlarged length? So if you can extend this length up to 20,000, then what should be its actual length? Here 50,000, then it's 5. Then for 20,000, what it will be? So it's very easy. 55, then 20, it's a 2. But here we have to do example. So you can write 5 upon 50,000 and x upon 20,000. Then again cross multiplication and solve it. So you'll get 20 centimeter. That is the answer. Question number 6. In a model of ship, the mast is 9 centimeter height. This is the mast. Okay, that is a 9 centimeter height. While the mast of the actual ship is 12 meter high. So here we have to consider two data. Length of actual ship and length of model ship. So in a model we are making whatever ship, any instrument, any machine you want to make, any house, then first of all you have to make the model. So in the model it's a 9 centimeter and actual it's a 12. So in actual length if 28 centimeter, then in the model what will be the length of that mast? Okay, so it's a direct proportion. So 12 upon 9, 28 upon x. So x into 12, 9 into 28. So x is equal to 21 centimeter. Hence the length of the model ship is 21 centimeter. At the time the model that you can extend, that is a 28. Okay, thank you.